नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सेतू अभ्यासक्रम इयत्ता 10वी विषय गणित भाग 1 व 2 यामध्ये आज आपण डे 22 चा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. नाउ इन दिस केस द कंपोनेंट इज ज्योमेट्रिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन and subcomponent is number 1 draw perpendicular bisector of given line segment, number 2 draw perpendicular line through a point outside the given line, number 3 draw perpendicular line to the given line through the point given on this line, number 4 is draw circle when diameter or radius given and again draw chord of a given length. Now for this point we have to solve the assignment 22, that is day 22. Now first example is draw line segment AB of length 4.7 cm and bisect it. So first of all we take line segment that is 4.7 cm. So I take with scale 4.7, that is 4 and this 7. So I draw this line segment 4.7. Now give it name AB, that is A and B. Now take compass. Take this compass on point B and take half distance of this chord and make arc above this line segment and this also below this line segment. Now with same distance take this compass on point B and mark in that arc above and below. Now join this two arc in this way. Now this distance, this point of this intersection, take M, that is this AB is 4.7 cm and this is the half of AM is equal to MB. So it is that is line segment AB and this line is perpendicular, that is bisect it. Now we solve second example. Now second example is draw line X, take any point A, above it draw perpendicular line Y to X through point A. So to solve this example we take line X first. So this is line, I have to give it name X. Now take any point A above it, म्हणजे या लाईनच्या वर आपल्याला कुठेतरी एक पॉइंट A घ्यायचा आहे. I take point A on it. Now draw perpendicular line Y to X, म्हणजे या X लाईनला आपल्याला Y लाइन परपेंडिकुलर काढायचं आहे थ्रू पॉइंट ए, ए मधून काढायचं आहे. सो फॉर दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन वी टेक दिस कंपास ऑन पॉइंट ए. ज्या पॉईंटमधून आपल्याला काढायचं आहे त्या पॉईंटवर कंपास ठेवायचा अँड टेक द डिस्टन्स दिस बिलो दिस लाइन, सम डिस्टन्स. नाउ मेक आर्क ऑन दिस लाइन both side. Now again you have to take this compass on this point of intersection and on this point of intersection. So now increase the distance in this way and mark above it with same distance in this way and then join this point of this arc to this A in this way. This is the perpendicular give it name y. In this way, x and y are perpendicular through point A. A मधून आपण x लाईनला परपेंडिक्युलर काढलं, त्या लाईनला नाव दिलं y. Now third example is draw line segment PQ of 5.7 centimeter. So take first line segment 5.7. That is, this is 5, 5.5 and 2. That is 5.7 in this way. So give it name PQ. This way, and length is 5.7 centimeter. Now next point is take point R on it such that length QR is equal to 3 centimeter and R is lies between P and Q. म्हणजे आपल्याला या P आणि Q च्या मधात असा R पॉइंट घ्यायचा आहे की तो Q पासून 3 सेंटीमीटर अंतरावर आहे. This is Q. Now we have to take this point R such that QR is equal to 3 centimeter. So I measure it with scale. That is 3 centimeter. 3, 1, that is 3, 2, 1. So I take this 3 centimeter. Now I have to give it name R. In this way. Now next that we have to draw perpendicular line to segment PQ. या PQ ला आपल्याला परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन काढायचं आहे थ्रू R. R मधून परपेंडिक्युलर काढायचं आहे. Now what is the difference of this both figure? In this case the point A is outside this given line, but in this case point R is on it. Point R on this line. So both method are different. So I take that point compass on this point through which we have to take perpendicular in this way and make this arc on this line. Now increase the some distance. Again we have to take this on this point of intersection of line and arc and make arc above. In this case also same distance, make arc. Now take this point of intersection of this arc and join with R. In this way, this is the perpendicular line, that is PQ. This line PQ is perpendicular through R. Okay. Now last example is, that is example number 4. Draw a circle of diameter 7.3 centimeter and then draw a chord of XY of length 5.7. Now in this case diameter is given. So when diameter is given, we have to draw this circle. So first of all you have to take the chord 7.3 centimeter. So 7.3, this is 7 and 0.3, that is I have to take this 7.3 centimeter. 7.3 centimeter. Now diameter given, so we have to take the half of this distance. So to bisect this, again I have to take the distance greater than half of this, so and make this arc above and below also. Now again change this position of compass and make arc above and below, and then join this point of intersection of this arc. In this way we have to bisect this given segment, that is 7.3. Now take the compass of this and pencil on this point and rotate it. In this way, we draw this circle of given diameter. That is म्हणजे आपण एक डायमीटर काढलं ज्याच्या एक सर्कल काढला ज्याचं डायमीटर होतं 7.3. नाउ टेक द कॉर्ड XY ऑफ लेंथ 5.7. सो मेजर 5.7